Good morning, campers. As you can see, I'm on a road. I just got dropped off from the Discerning Hiker. I was very happy to get a bed there. They only have 3 beds. They have 2 twins up in the loft, and then there's a queen-size bed, as you saw, which is the room I had. It was fantastic. And then Ken did a breakfast. I told him I was vegetarian, so I just had hash browns with onions and peppers and some toast and some fresh fruit, strawberries and blackberries, orange juice, hot chocolate. It was great. And we went out, Ken and I and the other 2 people who were staying there, Chica and Tio. We all went out to have Mexican food last night. And we went to Walmart. I got my resupply. I can make it to Fontana now. I don't have to go to Gatlinburg. I'm so happy. I do not want to go to Gatlinburg for any reason. A, it's 15 miles off trail, and B, it's just a tourist trap. And I don't need to go there. So, very cold this morning. I gotta get moving. My hands are already numb. 9.4 miles today. Nice short day. The problem is it's pretty much straight uphill. There's a couple little flat spots. The trail flattens out a little bit at a couple spots, and then it also goes downhill toward the end. So I'm walking. I just crossed the, oh, there it is. Okay, I just crossed the Pigeon River, the bridge right there, and I'm heading onto the trail. So 9.4 miles going to the Cosby Knob Shelter. And for the rest of the trip, I'm doing short miles. I'm doing 11 to 14 mile days most days. Maybe a 15 here or there, but also a 9 or 10 here or there. So it's going to be easy cruising the rest of the trip. I'm going to enjoy the foliage in Smokies, and you will see everything I'm about to see. So away we go. Hey, I almost forgot. Another shout out, beer shout out to the Dax. I had beer 3 out of the 5 you bought me last night at the restaurant, Mexican restaurant. I had a 20-ounce Dos Equis Amber, which went fantastic with my Mexican meal. And it was on tap. It was not a bottle. So that was great. I haven't had Dos Equis Amber on tap. I can't even remember when last time I did. So that was a great treat. Hit the spot last night. Thank you so much. And Russ, I'm glad to hear you're doing better. Hang in there, buddy. Can't wait to see you when I get home. The trail has become completely covered with dead leaves. It's beautiful, but it makes it harder to walk because you don't know if there's rocks or roots hiding under there. What'd you think of the Mount Cammerer Lookout Tower? Is it worth the 0.6 mile side trip? The fall foliage made it a nice view, but if it was like April or May or June, when most northbounders come through, I mean, it's okay, but 0.6 miles off, that's a 1.2 mile round trip for that view without the colors. Way better views up north. I mean, that goes without saying. So for a northbounder who maybe hasn't seen too many views to this point, because they're only a little more than 10% in on the trail, might be worth the side trip. For a southbounder, if the fall foliage is in full color, it might be worth a side trip as long as you have time in your schedule. Otherwise, it's okay. It's just, I don't know if it's worth a 1.2 mile side trip. That's all I'm saying. But I guess as far as like Tennessee, North Carolina views go, it's pretty good.